Put on some shades because
It's bright.
it is bright out here. Okay, am I going? You going?
Good.
Am I doing my little happy dance? Hello and welcome back to our cabin escape. So another week's gone by. We're back on site. It has been a very productive week while we've not been here. Yeah. So you can see we're standing at the back side of the cabin. Contractor actually came in this week, took off all the old trusses, got all of that cleaned up. There's still some debris here behind us that we'll go through and we'll move and get cleaned up while we're here this weekend.
Yeah, while he was on site, he got, like she said, everything removed. All of the rake framing off the front and the back, he fixed, he got up. He squared everything back up. So yeah, he's done a great job working with us and helping us out. New trusses got delivered Tuesday, so a couple days ago. So yeah, we're kind of ready to go. He'll be back tomorrow, Saturday, to kind of do a couple little things around and then he'll be back. We're hoping end of next week.
He's hoping next Thursday, Friday, he can fly trusses and finish the roof next week. So
we'll wait and see. He does have another job that's kind of conflicting right now, so he's got to wait to see how that one goes. But we're here. We're going to be working on stairs again. Now that everything's kind of removed, we can remove the cover to the stairway, and we can kind of finish the stairs going from the garage to the main floor.
We'll do site cleanup. We'll get rid of all of this debris so that it's out of their way and out of our way.
Our log retaining wall, we want to still try to work on that, kind of finish that up. I was able to get a new chainsaw blade, so hopefully we can actually cut some wood this week. So yeah, another busy week. Got a lot that we want to get done. So
I was going to say a lot of little cleanup type projects to get a bunch of our projects done and taken care of, but we'll show you kind of what he's done and where he's cleaned things up and made things look pretty again. So
yeah, no, we're excited. So yeah, stay tuned and yeah, follow the journey.
Yeah, thanks. So here we go. So he's got all of the back reframed, and with this pile of garbage we still need to clean up, which isn't much. He straightened out our wall, fixed all of the top plates. We have our new trusses already on site and ready to go, so that's exciting. That's a big step right there. They rushed us through on those, so that was very, very nice. That's the front. And that is the other pile of trusses. So those have to be cleaned up and cut down and disposed of, which is going to be fun. He has fixed all of the double top plates and all of the framing across the front he has fixed, put back in headers. So walls are done. They're straight and true and plumb, and he's got them all pretty, so that's really nice. So he says they are ready for trusses at this point, and it's just fitting us in, like Dave said, around the other job. And there's Dave hanging out in the window. I think he's getting ready to cut out the one bottom window, if I'm not mistaken. Do you need me to come up there and help you?
Nope, watch out below. You can kind of commentate, whatever.
Well, I thought you were going to commentate. You standing there all sexy like. So just getting ready to mix up a couple bags of concrete to set this last post here on the side of the man door. And then tomorrow morning we'll probably go look at cutting some logs. Yeah, so tomorrow morning we'll look at cutting some logs to start backfilling around those. Yeah, we're just going to watch Dave mix some concrete now. That was super exciting. So there you go. All 3 posts are poured in. So Dave told me I'm fired this morning. We have been up and we've been working on the stairs. Guess who forgot to turn on the camera? So, well, Dave makes a mess over here. So we have the 4 stringers in place. We talked to our contractor and he's good to open the stairs. And he's good for us to open up the stairs for ease of access. So Dave has just taken off the temporary subfloor and we'll finish opening this up, and when we're done today we'll be able to actually use the stairs. Okay, so stairs are all done. Take you guys on a maiden voyage from the basement all the way up to the first floor without a ladder. Here we go. And there you go. Alright, so we finished the stairs. And our focus has kind of shifted a little bit. We got word from the contractor that hopefully he will be putting trusses on earlier this week, possibly than planned, and that we can use his lift that he left here on site if we needed to do anything. So we have decided to go through and button up all of the exterior sheathing on the walls, make sure that all of the shiners are out, which I don't know if you can see it. Dave went through and he pushed out everything that was exposed inside. So now he can go through and he can make sure that there is a nail where every one of those are out, and that all of the pattern required on the sheathing to pass inspection is done and taken care of. So that's our goal this afternoon. So stay tuned. It won't be fun, but it's one of those last steps to get everything done and buttoned up and ready for shear wall inspection. Alright, so we got all of the blocking cut. No, I didn't videotape it because it's really boring. So all of the blocking is cut. It's not installed yet, but we've got it all cut. It's all set in each of the correct locations. So this evening we're going to enjoy the breeze and clean up the mess behind us.
Yeah, go through with the saw and just kind of cut off the metal pieces of the trusses, then just kind of stack what we can, what's usable we'll kind of set to the side, and anything that's not we'll just throw it into our scrap wood pile. So yeah, it's just kind of a cleanup night now, and yeah, just kind of relax and enjoy the breeze and just being up here.
Yeah, so just enjoy the time on site and do something productive.
So yeah.
So all right, here we go.
How do you like this toy?
Looks like Dave has found a new favorite toy. He's going through now, cleaning up all of the nails that have fallen out as they've done cleanup work and stuff. So the floor is slightly cleaner. He's got quite a nice little pile over there.
Okay, so that's it for us this weekend. We did go through and got probably about 90% of the sheathing kind of cleaned up. Made sure that none of the nails were poking through, and if they were, we kind of removed them. Made sure all the seams were secured, so yeah, we're good to go on that. We actually cut a lot of the blocking so we can get the blocking in on the vertical seams or the horizontal seams of the plywood. So
Finished the stairs. Did site cleanup, cleaned up what was left around the east side of the cabin from all of the damage. So all of the damage is now removed and away from the cabin. We still need to go through and cut up and clean up all of the trusses, but they're out of the way enough that we can complete everything. I've sprayed some weeds.
yeah, we've watered the trees. Trees look great. We've lost a couple, but due to the heat, it's kind of expected, especially for new saplings.
I was going to say, we knew we weren't going to keep all 100 of them, so, I mean, we've lost a few, but not a ton.
So yeah, no, well, I think past couple of weeks, it's been kind of tough, but we're getting stuff done, still getting a lot done that needs to be done, so.
It's all of the things that we honestly weren't sure we were going to get to this year, like stairs. We didn't know if we'd get them done or not. Some of the cleanup around the site, it's just needed to be done, and we've just been too focused on cabin and getting it weathered in to get anything done. So.
Yep. We've talked to the contractor. He's supposed to be out. He's shooting for Tuesday, so 2 days from now.
Yay.
To get trusses on Wednesday. He'll get it sheathed. So next time we come up this coming weekend, first thing we see is trusses up and in place and everything's done.
Roof is hopefully completely done by the time we get here next.
Yeah, we got to pick up the metal roofing next weekend as well. Next Friday on our way up, we got to pick it up as well. So, yeah, next weekend's actually going to should be a busy weekend for us. So, yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and
we'll see you next week.
thanks for watching.